Hello, everyone. I'm here with Janice. Yun nga, napag-usapan namin gawin to kasi feeling namin very relevant sa mga buhay natin, mga Pinoy. Alam naman natin ginagawa ni Janice. Janice is more on the arts and crafts. Ako naman, I help people deal with, difficulties in life. So that's why I established the sacred space. Sa sacred space, napupuna ko kasi na during this time, marami nagre-reach out sa akin. This is not just in Switzerland, but even like US, yung mga friends ko na doon na nagtatrabaho tapos nagre-reach out, asking for help around this time. Parang yun yung theme, na kapag colder season, parang nagbubukahan tayong lahat. Something's happening kapag colder yung season. When Janice and I talked about creating this, sabi ko, we have to compare it with something different from this season. Kasi alam na natin na we're in autumn, right?
Yes.
So sabi ko
We're
kay
already
Janice, chikahin
here.
mo naman ako, girl, sa experience mo. Kasi galing si Jenny sa vacation to
Yes.
Greece. And then, ikaw na girl, ikaw na mag-chika nun. Like,
Hindi,
yung
we really
experience
go
mo.
out during autumn break. Lagi kaming pumipili ng medyo mas mainit pa na area, pero not far. And it's our first time in Greece. So we spent 10 days in Crete Island, and I think ito yung pinaka favorite na
Mainit.
autumn getaway kasi talagang mainit pa siya. Parang it's just so perfect for us. Though kung tatanungin mo yung mga locals doon, sasabihin nila sa'yo na malamig na.
So
Sobrang mainit pa siya.
parang summer Switzerland, ganun.
Parang summer pa siya for us, pero para
Mm.
sa kanila, may nakita na kami mga locals na naka-down jackets. Can you imagine that?
Down jacket? Okay, sige. Talagang shaking na siguro. Parang winter
Medyo
body.
malamig na kasi talaga sa bandang umaga at saka yung sa bandang hapon. Pag nakalubog na yung araw, then it's really colder. Pero for us, nasanay sa mas malamig na temperature. Para sa atin, sobrang tag-init pa yon. And unlike other areas in Europe, like for example, in Italy kasi usually, pag mga ganitong panahon, marami nang nagsasara ng mga establishments. May yung mga touristic
Mm.
areas nila, limited na yung services. Tapos,
Nag-hibernate na din sila.
oo, slowly, nag-hibernate na
Mm.
sila. Makikita mo, ang dami na naglilinis. So, hindi ganun sa Crete.
Mhm.
Sa Crete, parang, ay, ang saya pa, ang dami pang
Alive.
tao. Alive na alive pa lahat ng areas nila. Though I think, yun din talaga yung personality ng mga Cretian. But anyway, so ayun, everyday maaraw, everyday mainit. Sa vacation, ayan na, hello, hello, Geneva. Kasi gabi dumating yung flight namin sa Geneva. And ayaw naman namin na makipaghabulan sa tren. Alam mo yun. Well, surprisingly, pagdating namin, nag-expect ako na medyo mas malamig talaga kasi parang masyashock din yung katawan mo na, di ba?
Mm.
Pero hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Maulan, yes.
Pagdating niyo sa Geneva Airport, pagdating niyo back to Switzerland is after vacationing, right? May na-feel ka na parang may shift of
Oo,
sanity,
tas makikita mo na,
vibe.
yun din yung, ewan ko, amazed ako doon talaga na yung behavior ng mga tao, when we left Crete, ang saya, very joyful, ang ingay, ganyan. Tapos the moment we landed in Geneva, yung pagbaba mo na ng eroplano, sakay ka na ng bus, ay quiet na. Wala nang, wala nang magulo, wala nang
Organized na.
harutan. Tapos alam mo yun, yung neatly packed na kami inside the bus. Talagang hindi ka na yung titigil-tigil ka dun sa may pintuan, but you'll give way to other people to get inside. So talagang pasok-pasok ka dun sa loob. So, ayan na, parang na-switch on na yung Swiss organization mo.
So, na-switch na nga, 'di ba? Like, sabi mo the weather, parang umuulan-ulan from
Naulan.
cold sunny, iba yung vibe ng mga tao, kumakain for 5 hours. That was the vibe in Greece. And then, pagdating mo dito, nag-shift. Did that affect you too?
Yes.
Na parang, hold on, parang I know naman the life in Switzerland, but how did that make you feel? Na parang, my God, may shift.
Oo. Well, these things you cannot really explain that, diba? Na parang kahit kaming dalawa, nagbubulungan na kami.
Mindful
Bawal
na
kang
kayo.
magingay, hindi naman, di ba? But anyway, walang, siguro, before, may malaki talaga yung disappointment na parang, ay, tapos na. O hindi na
Mm.
masaya, yung parang gano'n. But
Mm.
eventually, kasi masasanay ka na rin eh. And then, over the years, di ba, ganyan ang ganyan talaga yung lifestyle. So eventually, yayakapin mo yan. Eventually, you live that life.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo na eventually you will adapt.
Yes.
But alam din natin that adapting requires time. Kasi it doesn't
Yes.
happen overnight na mag-a-adapt.
No.
Even nga, I feel na parang yung mga taong matagal na dito, let's say, I've been here for like 8 years. For me, matagal na yun compared to my first year here, di ba? Kino-compare ko siya nung first year ko, taga naloloka ako sa
Oo
parang,
nga, anong memories mo of your
ano
first
itong
autumn?
changes?
I love asking about autumn kasi, well, honestly sa akin, siya din yung pinaka-challenging na unang season na na-encounter ko dito. Summer kasi sanay tayo dyan eh.
Yes.
But then, after that, autumn, oops, we don't have that in the Philippines, di ba? So,
Definitely.
ano yung memories mo? Ano yung challenges sa'yo nung very first autumn?
Para kasing, it's the same experience as what you had. Na parang you had that great life for 2 weeks. Ako naman, I arrived here July, height of summer.
Oh, height of
So
summer.
parang pagdating ko dito, parang, oh my God, postcard.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng place. Blue yung water, blue yung skies. Maganda yung hangin, may araw. So sabi ko talaga, oh my God, this is like the Swiss life. Sabi ko talaga, this is Switzerland. Ako naman, I have an
Ganda.
idea of what winter is. I lived in one country na may winter. So parang may idea na ako na this will not last for a long time. Magbabago din to. And I thought it was the same from
Mhm.
that place that I lived in. Pero sabi ko, oh my God, iba pa talaga yung Switzerland level of autumn. Kasi, nag-switch na nga, di ba? So, dumating ako dito July, ganyan. Tapos, excited ka pa. Pagdating ng autumn, say, around October, late
September is still beautiful eh, no?
yeah,
Maganda
but
pa ang
late
September.
September, parang umiiba na yung ihip ng hangin.
Yes.
Parang lumalamig na siya ng light. So parang ikaw, napaka-lost mo kasi parang, should I wear a jacket? But pagdating mo sa labas, hindi naman naka-jacket ng mga tao. So I think I can survive. Pero pagdating mo din parang, oh my God, after 5 minutes, kailangan mo talaga mag-jacket. So,
Ang jacket. Tapos very moody pa yung weather at that during
correct.
autumn, di ba?
Nasi-shift.
Na kagaya ngayon, biglang umaaraw, tapos mamaya biglang, ay, wala na,
Hmm.
madilim na naman. So,
And we
hindi
don't
mo
have
alam
that
kung ano susuotin
perspective.
mo.
Sure, and we don't have that perspective. So ako din, very lost. Tapos, deeper into autumn, doon na yung parang tumatagal na yung walang araw, parang 3 araw na walang araw. Parang covered yung entire Iverdon ng fog.
Ng
And to me,
fog. When you live near the lake, yan yung
yes. And to me,
attraction.
parang this is very new. Kasi bakit may fog? I
May
cannot.
fog. Di ba ang fog lang naman nun na-experience natin sa Baguio, sa
Yes.
Tagaytay.
And usually, madaling araw lang yun. Pero bakit dito
Oo.
nag-extend? So, that was the most difficult shift. And then, from there, parang dahil may nagbabago na yung environment, nagbabago din yung katawan mo.
Yung katawan mo. Difficult siya in what sense?
Difficult
Na
siya in what
kasi wala ka nang
Kasi,
nakikitang.
nag-iiba din siguro yung hangin.
Oo.
Our skin is not used to that.
No.
So, during that time na medyo sad yung labas, doon naman yung time na nagsilabasan yung mga pimples ko, girl. Ang sabi ko parang, for the longest time, hindi naman ako pimply na tao. Dito ako nag-adolescent sa Switzerland. So, nagsilabasan yung pimples ko. So, you can imagine, dark and sad yung labas, quiet yung entire city, may pimples ka. And dahil yung mga times na yun na din, parang ang hirap mag-adapt, ang feeling mo, the activity that you can only do is eat. Kasi syempre, wala ka pang ginagawa nun, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi baguhan ka sa country. So, ang ginagawa ko ng taga-kain. So, means to say, adding with the 3 is, tumataba ka din. Chumatsya ka, dahil ka overall. Kasi
And
nakikita mo
then,
sa sarili mo yung
oo,
everyday.
yung discomfort mo na nagda-dry yung skin mo kasi medyo nagda-dry na din yung hangin kapag ganyan lumalamig.
Mm-mm.
And then, hindi ko alam, but I'm sure nanonotice mo din na kapag 2 or 3 days talaga na hindi ka naaarawan, iba na talaga yung texture ng balat mo. Kahit anong ipahid mo dyan.
Gray ka talaga. No, you really turn gray. Parang grayish na yung undertone. Kasi yellow yung undertone ng Asians, di ba? Parang, bakit pag-gray? Bakit pag-gas na yung aura ko?
Brown na brown.
Diba?
Dead brown, ganon.
To that. So, i-compound mo yun lahat and then you're in that state and no one's there to tell you na this is what's happening to you.
Yes.
So,
That is
parang,
normal.
oo.
But, hindi nga yung wala na nag-explain sa'yo while it's happening to you. Ni wala ding nagsabi sa'yo na ito yung mga aabangan mo. Like,
Wala.
summer, walang nagsabi sa'yo na, pagdating ng autumn ha, ganito na yung magaganap.
Wala kang toolkit, di ba? Na parang wala kang reference na ito pala yung mangyayari sa akin around this time. So when that happened, syempre, physically, nakikita mo, you feel sad. So nagsisimula ka sa parang malungkot, tapos mas malungkot, pinakamalungkot. Talaga nag-spiral down.
Spiral.
Ayun,
wala na rin masyadong activities kasi outside, di ba?
yes, kasi malamig na, di ba?
Oo. So, you really stay inside. Mas internal na yung kung ano man yung nagaganap sa'yo. Ikaw na lang yung magpo-process nun internally.
More of like a recap to, what we explored, no? Parang nagsimula yung experience ko by noticing what's happening outside. Na parang, ay, may shift. Ay, hindi ko nakikita yung anong araw, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, slowly shifting to how I look. Na parang, oh my God, tumataba ako. Chumatsaka ako. What's happening? Tapos, hindi ka na lumalabas kasi syempre, yung mga tao hindi na rin lumalabas.
Hindi na rin lumalabas.
And sinasabi mo, the third was, nag-internalize ka na. Syempre, yung internalization mo, very self-defeating. Kasi wala ka namang reference, right? So parang nagwawallow ka na.
Yes.
Ito na pumapasok yung fourth part na na-observe ko. Feeling ko parang, my God, ito na talaga, patungo na talaga dito. But wala akong word no na parang depression or anything like that. Parang, ino-observe ko lang yung way that I behave throughout the day. Na-realize ko na natutulog ako dear, 2 in the morning, tapos gumigising ako 12 noon.
Ay,
Kumakain ako ng lunch just to have that semblance of life na parang lumabas ako ng bed, kumain ng lunch, matutulog na naman ako na 2 p.m. Magsisiesta daw ako. Pagdating 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., gigising na naman ako kasi darating na yung hubby. My husband will be arriving. So parang I need to look fresh, etc. Because inisip ko din parang I don't wanna pass this on to someone and make my husband worry. So talagang may semblance of normalcy pa siya dapat na, this is me. Ginawa ko yun I think I did that for like 2 months. And then until sabi sa husband ko na parang, there is something happening that I don't know.
Wala din kasi tayong set of vocabulary to describe it, di ba?
Yeah. And even the way that I describe it to you now, I don't want to even put technical terms to it.
Yes.
Kasi for a lot of people, just like us, ito yung nararamdaman natin on a daily basis that we can't put a name or technical terms to it. From then on, napag-usapan na nga namin yun. And then the ways that I did to pull myself out of it will appear in our other episodes. But backtrack muna tayo, looking at how it evolved. Para for me talaga, what I can remember is my 4 phases that happened. Na parang observing outside. Second is observing how I look, parang nagbago. Number 3, internalization. I-internalize ko yung mga dialogue in my head na self-defeating. And then eventually, sleep na nga was affected. I'm sleeping more. I'm interacting less. I really felt that I was withdrawing from it all. Yun yung masaklap around. Yun yung first time ko na-experience si autumn. Malala. How about you?
It got better naman over the years, di ba?
Definitely. But that was like the first time. But then, if looking back, kasi walang nagsabi sa akin that might happen to you, parang, ito na ba talaga every year? Hold on.
Yes.
Inas kasi, ito na ba talaga every year na ito yung experience ko or the way that I will react to things. But technically, we adapt as what you said. But definitely, I started there.
So, yeah, I think we all started there. Parang, magandang tingnan, very magical. Kasi yung idea of autumn, of fall sa atin, di ba na parang golden leaves, golden sunsets, mga ganyan. The early sunsets, yes, pero golden pa din. Parang very magical siya yung portrayal ng autumn. But in reality, kung hindi ka sanay sa mga ganitong klase ng changes. Like, we have eternal sunshine from a tropical country. Nakakashook pa din.
Super.
Tapos hindi naman siya yung parang sudden change eh. Dahan-dahan kanyang huhugutin loob sa kuweba, parang ganun. Ako noon naalala ko natakot ako na hindi na ako pinapawisan. Oo, na kahit anong physical effort mo sa labas, mag-walk, mag-jog, hindi na talaga ako pinapawisan. Sabi ko, my God, parang ano ba yun? Masama ba yun? Kasi pawisin ako eh. Talagang yun yung hindi ko noon ma-withstand sa
So, yun yung
Manila.
physical observation
Yun
na
yung physical
observe
observation
mo.
ko.
Okay.
So, inaabangan, unlike you, ako ina-anticipate ko yung mga pimples, yung mga breakouts, ganyan. Kasi, hindi na ako pinapawisan. So,
Oh,
is this
okay.
normal? Is this
Interesting.
abnormal? My God, baka something is wrong. Yung mga may mali ba sa sweatbands ko, kaya hindi na sila.
And then,
Natatakot talaga ako noon na naprapraning ako talaga na hindi ako naaarawan. Para talagang, oh my God, this is it.
then did that do anything to, like, kasi nag-worry ka na, di ba? Nag-ruminate ka na, and then technically, isip ka na ng masasamang bagay in your head na parang something's wrong with me, baka ano na to.
Oo.
Bakit sa
Actually,
ganung level?
yung naprapraning ka na sa katawan mo. So, parang mag-e-effort ka. Ang saya ko talaga nun kapag pinawisan ako ng konti. Kapag nag-exercise, nag-yoga, nag-stretching ka sa loob ng bahay, pinawisan ka ng konti, parang okay, I'm still good. Very first autumn ko pa, iniwan ako mag-isa sa bahay. Mas lalong wala akong masabihan, makausap na, ay, lumalamig na, dumidilim na, yung mga, but it's okay. Ang fear ko talaga dun ay yun nga, yung mga physical changes na hindi ka
How about your sleep? Did it change to yung body clock mo?
I think so. I think yung time na yan na hindi ka na nga talaga naaarawan, wala kang choice eh. Parang it really needs malakas na puwersa talaga yung kailangan para you'll not dwell into this kind of thoughts na baka there's something wrong with me physically or alam mo yung mga ganun na klase ng question. So talagang ma-affect yung sleep mo.
Itong part na to, we just want to share with you to what we're experiencing kasi I'm sure it's not us who's experiencing this. Tayong lahat na hindi tayo sanay sa ganitong shifts ng weather, di na pinagdadaanan natin to. During our time, wala akong material, I don't know anyone who's experiencing it kasi parang yung talks about mental health back in the Philippines, wala naman yan eh.
Yung stigma, di ba?
Correct. But these types of conversations actually is happening in Switzerland. Kaya nga, I think parang may isang bridge sa Luzon yata na kapag nagsa-start ng mag-autumn, etc., may nilalagay silang parang mga tents beside the road for people who need parang warm soup.
Okay.
But the goal talaga there is for people to interact.
To interact
with someone na they won't feel alone. Kasi yung bridge na yun parang common daw na dun usually tumatalon yung mga taong ayaw na. So, yun yung sad part. But anyway, if the people na dito na pinanganak, alam nila yung seasons are going through things like this, how much more kita? Na parang, summer lang naman tayo all the time in the Philippines. 360 days a year, may araw. Tapos dito, wala. So, just want to let everyone know na this is just like an introductory conversation with Janice. Kasi, even if ako, I'm running Sacred Space, I'm helping people with depression and anxiety. Even ako din, during shifts ng weather na ganito, naapektuhan din ako kasi tao tayong lahat. And our body responds to environmental cues. So, you feel na parang nagbabago din yung sarili mo around this season, it's perfectly normal.
Normal, yes.
And
I think kailangan yan yung assurance na masabi talaga natin because we didn't hear those kind of words before.
We'll talk to you again in the upcoming week. So, Jen, thank you for this.
Thank you, Polly.
Oy, Jen, yung yung tinda-tinda, anything?
Tinda-tinda ko, November po, meron akong mga pa-Christmas eclavu.
Christmas eclavu by November.
Yes. And I am looking for, actually meron akong isang contact, a local artist, a Filipino based in Switzerland also, to collaborate new designs. But that's for next year siguro. But naghahanap ako, so kung may iba pa siyang mga artists na in the same category, same level, yung magawa lang ng mga men's, at saka mga kaano lang, mga kalokohan.
Grabe naman yung kalokohan. But please follow Jen's IG page. We'll be sharing it with you too. So para mapuntahan nyo, i-add nyo. So if bet nyo yung mga bags, kasi may bagelya na ako and tote from Jen, which is I really love, especially kapag namimigro or naglilidel ako, talagang gamit na gamit. So please do add Jen. And then,
And of course, the sacred space.
yes,
If you
so
have any questions about your services?
yeah, so use sacred space. So if you're feeling a bit low around this season, yun nga sabi ko, you can reach out to me. I offer my service online. Parang parang hindi magandang pakinggan. But I do offer my service online. We conduct through cam. We don't have to meet online. So if you're feeling a bit low, you're going through something, reach out to me. You are never alone and your feelings are valid. There.
Well, it really helps a lot kung merong nakakapakinig na nakaka-relate din talaga sa'yo. Yeah. Minsan, naman parang you find your own resolutions kapag naririnig mo yung sarili mong boses. But you have to hear your own voice, di ba, bago maganap yun.
And that's why the best solutions actually come from us. But but we can only arrive at those solutions the moment we hear ourselves. Yung nga sabi mo. Kasi nakakatulong talaga yun. So anyway, we'll talk more about this with Jen in our upcoming episode. So thank you muna at bye-bye. And then
Maraming salamat.
maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Okay.